Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Commentary on Surah Al-Alaq. Allah Almighty said, Ikra bi asmi rabbikal khalaq. Recite in the name of your Lord who created. Glory of descent Hazrat Aisha Siddiqa. May God be pleased with her. Says the revelations to the Messenger of God, Muhammad, peace be upon him, may God's prayers and peace be upon him, begin with good dreams. Allah and peace be upon him. Those who dream are like the morning light would have appeared. Then he may God bless him and grant him peace, like to be alone, and went to the cave of Hira and stayed there for many nights before returning to the Holy of Holies and worshipping there. And to stay there for so long, they used to take food and drinks with them. Then Hazrat Khadijah returned to him and he ordered the food in the same way until the truth came to the Prophet, peace be upon him. Where in the cave of Hira, the angel appeared in the presence of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, and said, read. Pressed it, then left it and said, read. I said, I am not a reader. He grabbed me and pressed me hard again, then let go and said, read. I said, I am not a reader. Read in the name of your Lord who created. He created man from a clot of blood. Read, and your Lord is the most genius who taught to write with a pen. He taught man what he did not know. One meaning of this verse and the verse after it is to mention the name of your Lord who created all creation. The second meaning is that, O Habib, recite the Quran that was revealed to you. May God's prayer and peace be upon him. Beginning with the name of your Lord, the exalted who created all creation. Shira, command of reciting Bismillah before reciting. It should be remembered that reciting Bismillah at the beginning of a surah is sunnah. Otherwise, it is recommended, and if the verse, that is the reciter, wants to recite is direct towards Allah Almighty is the beginning, such as Hawa, Hu Allah, then in the case reciting Bismillah after reciting Auzu Billah is strongly recommended if he answered or recited Subhanallah and Kalma, Taiba, etc. So, friends, sisters and brothers, then it is not his responsibility to recite it again. Allah Almighty give us permission to read Quran, understand Quran, Hadith and tafseer. So, this is end of commentary. Allah Hafiz.